The Atomi Smart Pathway Lights Quick Setup Guide. The Smart Pathway Lights 4-pack include 4 pathway lights, 1 smart bridge with USB wall charger, 4 mounting spikes, 1 pathway lighting cable, 1 extension cable, and 1 power cable. Step 1. Plug the smart bridge into the USB wall charger and plug into the outlet. Confirm that the orange indicator is flashing. If not, press and hold the button for 5 seconds to reset. Next, open the Atomi Smart app and press Add Device. Select Smart Bridge Pathway Lights. Press Continue. Press the plus button. Enter your home Wi-Fi credentials and press Continue. Please note, only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi is supported. After that, press Done. Next, connect the Smart Pathway Lights to the power cable. Make sure there's a snug fit for each connection. Now plug the Smart Pathway Lights into the power outlet. Confirm that the lights are flashing white. If not, press and hold the power button for each light for 10 seconds to reset. Next, press Add New Device and press Continue. Once all your lights appear on the screen, press Done and Done again. Your Smart Pathway Lights are now connected and ready to be installed outside. For more information and tutorials, visit atomismart.com/instructions